Welcome to the vast expanse of the universe. Today we're diving into a cosmic showdown of epic proportions. Earth versus the biggest black hole ever discovered. How does our tiny blue planet measure up against one of the most colossal objects in the universe? Let's find out. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull. These mysterious objects have fascinated scientists and astronomers for decades, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating a point of infinite density known as a singularity. This process is one of the most violent and energetic events in the cosmos. But not all black holes are created equal. There are different types, each with unique characteristics and formation processes. The smallest black holes, called stellar mass black holes, are typically about 10 times the mass of our Sun. These are formed from the remnants of massive stars after they explode in supernovae. But today we're focusing on a behemoth, the supermassive black hole. These giants reside at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way, and can be millions or even billions of times more massive than the Sun. Meet TON 618, the largest known black hole. Located over 10 billion light-years away in the constellation Canes Venatici, TON 618 is a true giant. TON 618 has a mass of 66 billion suns. To put that in perspective, the black hole at the center of our Milky Way galaxy, Sagittarius A*, is only about 4 million solar masses. Now let's bring it back home. Earth, our beautiful blue planet, has a mass of about 5.97 sextillion metric tons. While that sounds like a lot, it's minuscule compared to the scale of a supermassive black hole. Imagine placing Earth next to TON 618. It would be like comparing a grain of sand to a mountain the size of Everest. The event horizon of a black hole is the point beyond which nothing can escape its gravitational pull. This boundary marks the limits of our observable universe when it comes to black holes, as even light cannot break free from its grasp. For TON 618, this event horizon, also known as the Schwarzschild radius, is about 1,300 astronomical units. This means that the gravitational boundary of this supermassive black hole is incredibly vast, stretching far beyond our usual cosmic scales. To give you a sense of scale, 1 astronomical unit, or AU, is the distance between Earth and the Sun. This distance is approximately 93 million miles, or about 150 million kilometers. TON 618's event horizon is 1,300 times that distance. Imagine multiplying the vast space between our planet and the Sun by 1,300. This gives you an idea of the immense size and power of this black hole. What would happen if Earth encountered a black hole like TON 618? Fortunately, the nearest black hole is thousands of light-years away, so there's no immediate danger. But hypothetically, if Earth were to come too close, the immense gravitational forces would stretch and compress it in a process known as spaghettification. Not a pretty picture for our planet. Black holes are fascinating and terrifying cosmic giants. These enigmatic entities captivate our imagination and challenge our understanding of physics. They are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull. While Earth is a tiny speck in comparison, our understanding of black holes helps us appreciate the incredible scale and power of the universe. The study of these cosmic phenomena reveals the mysteries of space-time and the fundamental laws that govern our cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this journey through space. We have traversed the vast expanses of the universe, exploring the wonders and marvels that lie beyond our planet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic explorations. Your support helps us bring you more content about the mysteries of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars. Remember, the universe is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Stay curious and keep exploring the cosmos. Stay curious, space explorers. Check out these other videos about the wonders of our universe.